The Secret Door to the Rainbow Kingdom. Emma was an adventurous girl with curly chestnut hair, wide hazel eyes, and a heart full of wonder. She loved exploring hidden places and imagining grand adventures. One afternoon, while playing in the attic of her grandmother's house, she discovered an old wooden door hidden behind a dusty bookshelf. It had swirling patterns of gold and silver and a tiny, shimmering keyhole. Curiously, she reached into her pocket and found a small key, one she had never seen before. As soon as she turned the key, the door creaked open, revealing a dazzling tunnel of glowing colors. A gust of warm, sparkling wind pulled her inside, and suddenly she found herself standing in a breathtaking place. The Rainbow Kingdom. The sky shimmered in pastel hues, and rivers of liquid gold flowed gently between candy-colored hills. Floating islands carried castles made of crystal, and tiny winged creatures giggled as they flitted around. Emma's curly chestnut hair sparkled under the magical glow, and her hazel eyes widened with pure amazement. A friendly unicorn with a mane that glittered like a galaxy trotted up to her. "Welcome, Emma. You are the chosen visitor," the unicorn said. "Only those with a heart full of wonder can enter the Rainbow Kingdom." Emma spent the day exploring, meeting rainbow foxes, flying above the clouds, and tasting the sweetest fruits she had ever known. But soon she saw the sky dimming. The kingdom needed her help. The colors of the rainbow were fading, and only someone with kindness and imagination could restore them. Emma closed her eyes, imagined the brightest colors, and wished with all her heart. A burst of magic filled the air, and the kingdom shimmered once again. As the door appeared before her, Emma waved goodbye, promising to return one day. Back in the attic, she smiled, knowing that whenever she needed magic, the Rainbow Kingdom would be waiting.